Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be creating a spread in my Catch-All planner for the week of January 3rd through the 9th. I am going to be using several sticker books from the Happy Planner. So first and foremost, Rang Rang Seasonal, and I am going to be pulling some of the New Year things from it. So here we go. And while you're joining me, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel. Thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me. I am so very grateful. And if you are brand new and this is your first time joining me, welcome. I really hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this content. So here we go. I added these beautiful girls with the champagne flutes and the celebrate, and I'm just adding a few wishes, like wishing peace, love, and laughter, and another one of celebrating. It's just little things that I like to add. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add this new goals in this beautiful peach color. And I think I want to play with a blue, like that blue chic color. So hopefully they'll get this done. And then minimalist. So that one has a lot of the blues and the pinks and grays. So I figured I might play with that book a little bit and add some of the more functional things to it. I know I'm so indecisive today when it comes to stickers. I really wanted that quote in here, but that gray doesn't really go with anything, so I'm taking it off. Okay, so here we go. Go ahead and add another of these round circles, and I think that's so beautiful, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it, and it can be a list. And then I'm gonna play with these tiny little boxes, and I'm gonna be adding them throughout the spread to add a little bit of color. So there's like the peach and the pink, and I'm gonna add that very light winter blue. And I use those boxes for events or appointments or main tasks, so they're kind of convenient to have throughout. I will also put errands on them, stuff like that, so it really helps. Like so. Okay, so I am adding all of these, and it's already looking way fuller, right? And then I'm gonna add a few more little things, and hopefully that will do it. Okay, so now I'm going to add a few of these headers that say, don't forget, and priority. And I can make lists underneath those. And I really like the layered effect. There we go. The one on Sunday is crooked. Ugh. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add that beautiful round quote, because that's so different. And then I want to add another one of those rounder boxes so it balances out. Okay, so that one says just work hard and be kind, and like I said, it's so different. And then I want a second one like the one on Saturday, but with a quote, and I'm going to put that in the sidebar as well. It is so hard to get off, I'm not sure why. Okay, so there we go. So it's adding that blue effect. And I added a weekly tracker for a checklist. And I think I am good with this book. So minimalist, all done. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take Happy Plans. And those have really beautiful blues and pinks as well. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some boxes because this book is so full of boxes. I will grab a few boxes and work with those and add them to my spread to add those pops of blues and green pinks, but I really want it to be more pastel-y, so I'm gonna go with these and just add a box to each day. Okay, few more boxes and I will be all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this spread. It is a very busy spread. This is after the holidays, so of course everything is going to be crazy busy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me, and I'll see you guys very soon for another video. Have a great day.